Welcome back to the cryptoworld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, Bitcoin is forming a new pattern on the larger timeframes, while Ethereum is breaking out against Bitcoin, which I'll talk about later in the video, so definitely stick around. First of all, starting off on the daily Bitcoin to US dollar chart, and right now the price of Bitcoin is still trading in between this support and this resistance. First of all, this area of support starts at around 25.3k and goes down towards around 24.3k based on previous resistance now acting as support. And this area of resistance starts at around 28,000 and goes all the way up towards around 30,500. And if you've watched any of my recent videos here on the channel, you'll know that this area of resistance stems from the larger time frames, because back during 2021 and also in mid-2022, we saw a lot of support in that area, which is now acting as resistance. And as for the daily Bitcoin price oscillators, these are still looking relatively neutral, because first of all, the daily Bitcoin RSI is essentially chopping around sideways, while the daily Bitcoin MACD is extremely flat, showing very low momentum. And so once again, as I've been saying mostly over the last 2 to 3 weeks, this is pointing towards some more choppy sideways price action, pretty much exactly like what we've seen over the last 2 to 3 weeks. But while this is happening, if you're looking on a much larger time frame like the weekly Bitcoin chart, technically speaking, a giant cup and handle pattern is currently forming on the weekly Bitcoin chart. And now, technically speaking, a cup and handle pattern is known as a bullish pattern, but with that being said, we still need to see a confirmed breakout above the neckline here, above this resistance, which by the way is sitting at around 30.5k, and we need to see a confirmed breakout, for example weekly candle closes above 30.5k in order to actually confirm a breakout. And so at least as of right now, obviously this pattern is not yet in play, it is not yet active, but it is still technically forming, so it's one to pay attention to while it does continue to potentially form. And in order for this pattern to complete its formation phase, we need to see some sort of handle complete here, with basically the price recovering back up towards around 30,500 over the next few weeks. It can even take up to 1 to 2 months, because obviously this is on the weekly time frame. So basically, if in the next 1 to 2 months the price of Bitcoin comes back up towards around 30,500, and then we see a confirmed breakout above that level, obviously that would be extremely bullish on the larger time frames and talking about the larger trend at play. And now just taking another look at the daily Bitcoin chart, just to remind you that this falling wedge pattern is still currently forming, with the support line sitting at around 25.6k approximately, and the resistance line sitting at around 27.4k. And as always, in order to activate this pattern and activate the technical price targets, we need to see a confirmed breakout above that resistance, and that would set up a bullish price target at this local high sitting at around 30.5k, where we also have that major level of resistance as I just said earlier. And now if you're taking a look at the shorter term, this is on the 8-hour Bitcoin to US dollar chart, and right now as I'm recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is running into this area of support again, which is sitting in between around 26.1k to 26.5k. And obviously this comes after that perfect rejection from this area of resistance, which I talked about in my last video. Once again, this area of resistance is still sitting in between around 27.2k to 27.6k. And so at least as of right now, while the price of Bitcoin is still in between this support and this resistance, we're basically in a sideways range. And so at least for now, in terms of the short-term trend, I'm quite neutral. I'm not overly bullish or overly bearish. So I'm mostly expecting some more choppy sideways price action, especially while the price is still in between this support and this resistance once again. And now, obviously, choppy sideways price action like this is very boring if you simply buy and hold crypto or buy and hold Bitcoin, for example. But for the traders out there, if you have a grid bot, for example, you can make a lot of easy profit during during a choppy sideways price range like this. And if you want to know how to set up those strategies, then stick around to the end of this video to find out more. But first, getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this is on the daily ETH to US dollar chart. And right now, the price of ETH is still trading slightly above this area of support, which is sitting in between around 1770 to 1820. And as for the daily Ethereum price oscillators, these are still looking relatively neutral because, first of all, if you're looking at the daily Ethereum RSI, this is essentially chopping around sideways, while the daily Ethereum MACD just recently had a bearish cross. But with that being said, the momentum is very flat as of right now. We're not really seeing a huge surge in momentum to either direction, which once again is mostly neutral, at least in the shorter term. So I would expect a little bit more choppy sideways price action like what we've seen in the recent 1 to 2 weeks or so. And now if you're zooming into the shorter term, this is on the 6-hour ETH to US dollar chart, and we can clearly see right now the price of ETH is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern because we're clearly seeing lower highs in the shorter term, but also higher lows in the price of ETH. And right now, this ascending line of support is sitting at around 1810 to 1815, and this line of resistance is sitting at around 1890 to nearly 1.9k. And once again, I mentioned in my last video on the channel that while the price of ETH is in between this support and this resistance, expect more choppy sideways price action like what we've seen recently. But then the moment we see either a confirmed break below this support or above this resistance, that would be obviously a strong signal in the short term telling us the next major direction in the price of ETH in terms of the trend in the short term. And I also mentioned in my last video that if we see a breakout here in the 6-hour Ethereum RSI above this descending line of resistance, then that could potentially act as a leading indicator for a possible breakout in the price action. But obviously, as of right now, we have not yet seen that happen. It's just if we do end up seeing that happen, if we do end up seeing a breakout in the RSI, then that could potentially increase the probability of a breakout in the price action. And as for the technical price targets for this pattern right here, they have not changed since my last video. So if you're new to the channel, definitely check out my last video on this channel to find out the technical price targets for this pattern, no matter what direction the price breaks here. And now if you're taking a look at the ETH to Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that over the last 1 month or so, the price of ETH has been outperforming Bitcoin, because when this chart goes to the upside, that basically means ETH is outperforming Bitcoin, and when this chart goes to the downside, that means Bitcoin is outperforming ETH. And what we've seen just recently is a breakout on this chart, which is pointing towards ETH continuing to outperform Bitcoin like what we've seen over the last 1 month or so. But with that being said, of course, we still have a point of resistance to pay attention to. For example, this horizontal level of resistance based on this previous high and also now this local high sitting at around 0.071 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And we also have this horizontal level of resistance based on these previous highs sitting at around 0.072 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And so obviously, if we see a confirmed breakout above both of these levels of resistance, then that would obviously be a bullish signal on this chart for ETH versus Bitcoin, which would be yet another signal pointing towards Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, which as of right now is still the case, considering the short-term trend here is bullish. And now, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is bullish, bearish, or simply chopping around sideways in a sideways range like right now, then make sure to watch these videos popping up right here on your screen, because the video in the top left of your screen shows you how to make money no matter what direction the price is going using AI, and the video in the bottom left of your screen shows you how you can easily make money in a sideways price range. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.